Have you ever dreamed of walking through a dense rainforest, listening to the sounds of the wild while you wait for a glimpse of a mountain gorilla? Or maybe you've imagined standing before one of the most powerful waterfalls on Earth, feeling the spray on your face? What about exploring a city that's alive with energy, history, and culture? Uganda is a place where these dreams become reality, a country brimming with adventure. It's the Pearl of Africa, as Winston Churchill called it, a land that holds the promise of unforgettable moments, awe-inspiring wildlife, and vibrant cultures. But here's the question: are you ready to uncover the hidden gems of Uganda, to explore its wild beauty, its fascinating culture, and its world-famous wildlife? If so, buckle up, because this journey will take you deep into the heart of Africa's best-kept secret. First stop, Kampala, Uganda's energetic and thriving capital. This city is a kaleidoscope of sights, sounds, and experiences. From the moment you step into Kampala, you're hit with a sensory overload. The city pulses with life. Start your adventure at the Uganda Museum. It's not just any museum, it's a window into the soul of Uganda. Traditional musical instruments that echo with ancient rhythms, artifacts that tell stories of the country's tribes and history. Every exhibit is a reminder of how rich and diverse Uganda's cultural heritage is. Next, head to Uganda Market, one of the largest and most bustling markets in Uganda. Picture this: vibrant stalls full of colorful fabrics, fresh produce, handcrafted jewelry, and spices that fill the air with fragrance. The buzz of the crowd, the laughter, the haggling, it's an authentic experience that will make you feel like a local. When the sun sets, Kampala doesn't slow down. It comes to life in an entirely new way. The nightlife here is legendary. From cozy bars to lively music venues, the city offers entertainment for every taste. But the best part? The food. Try matoke, steamed green bananas, or a delicious Rolex, a Ugandan street food that will change the way you look at fast food forever. But Kampala is just the beginning. Uganda's landscapes are waiting. Let's move on to one of its most iconic natural wonders, Murchison Falls. Can you imagine the raw power of nature? The Nile River winding its way through the African continent, crashing through a narrow gorge and plunging over a cliff with a deafening roar. That's Murchison Falls. The sight is so mesmerizing it's impossible to look away. But Murchison Falls National Park offers so much more than just the falls. It's a wildlife haven. As you explore the park, you'll encounter elephants, majestic and powerful, roaming the savanna, giraffes browsing on acacia trees, lions lounging in the shade. Over 76 mammal species call Murchison Falls home. It's the perfect place for wildlife lovers and photographers. Want to get even closer to the action? Hop on a boat safari along the Nile River. Imagine gliding along the river, the sun on your face, as you pass hippos bobbing in the water and crocodiles basking on the riverbanks. The views are extraordinary. Every moment you'll feel like you've stepped into a wildlife documentary. If you're craving more adventure, take a game drive through the park's vast plains. You never know what you'll encounter next. Maybe a herd of elephants crossing your path, or a lioness stalking its prey. Murchison Falls National Park is an adventure at every turn. Now let's head to Queen Elizabeth National Park. This place is a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. But there's something here you won't find anywhere else: the famous tree-climbing lions. These rare lions spend their days lounging in the branches of fig trees, offering a unique photo opportunity and a once-in-a-lifetime sight. Queen Elizabeth is also home to more than 600 bird species. From the majestic African fish eagle to the elusive shoebill stork, birdwatching here is a dream come true. Every corner of the park offers something new, something magical. One of the best ways to experience the park is by boat. Cruise the Kazinga Channel, a natural waterway connecting Lake Edward and Lake George. The riverbanks are teeming with wildlife: elephants, hippos, buffalo, and countless bird species. It's a peaceful, serene experience that lets you connect with nature like never before. But Queen Elizabeth isn't just about wildlife, it's about the people too. The local communities that live alongside the park have a deep connection to the land. When you visit, you'll have the chance to learn about their traditions, discover how they've coexisted with the park's wildlife for generations. It's a perfect blend of nature and culture. From the savannas of Queen Elizabeth, let's journey into the heart of Uganda's rainforest, Bwindi impenetrable forest. This is where the magic happens. Here in the dense mist-covered jungle, nearly half of the world's remaining mountain gorillas call home. Gorilla trekking in Bwindi is one of the most extraordinary experiences you'll ever have. But it's not just a trek, it's a journey. You'll hike through steep, muddy terrain. Your heart will race with excitement as you get closer to your destination. And then, when you finally encounter these gentle giants, it's like time stands still. Standing face to face with a mountain gorilla is a profound, humbling moment. Trekking in Bwindi is more than just an adventure. It's a way to support conservation. The money from trekking permits goes directly toward preserving gorilla habitats, supporting anti-poaching efforts, and ensuring a future for these endangered creatures. Every step you take is part of the solution. Now let's slow things down. Head to Lake Bunyonyi. This serene, breathtaking lake is a hidden gem in Uganda. Surrounded by rolling hills and dotted with small islands, Lake Bunyonyi feels like a world of its own. The tranquility here is unlike anything else. It's the perfect place to relax, recharge, and simply enjoy the beauty of nature. Canoeing on Lake Bunyonyi is one of the best ways to explore. The calm, clear water reflects the surrounding hills, creating a picture-perfect scene. You'll paddle past islands, each with its own story and charm. And if you're a birdwatcher, you're in for a treat. Over 200 bird species live here, including the stunning gray-crowned crane and vibrant kingfishers. Whether you stay in a cozy lodge or a luxurious resort, Lake Bunyonyi offers the perfect getaway. Many of the accommodations also offer cultural experiences, allowing you to connect with the local communities. You'll learn about their traditions and the rich history of the area. Are you ready for the ultimate adrenaline rush? Welcome to Jinja, Uganda's adventure capital. If you're seeking heart-pounding excitement, Jinja is the place for you. The Nile River's rapids are calling, and they're ready for you to take on the challenge. Whitewater rafting on the Nile is an experience like no other. The rapids are intense, thrilling, and exhilarating. Whether you're a seasoned rafter or a first-time adventurer, this is the ultimate test of courage and skill. Hold on tight because the adrenaline will be pumping from start to finish. But Jinja isn't just about extreme sports, it's also a place to connect with the local culture. Explore the vibrant markets, discover handmade crafts, taste fresh street food. Jinja is an amazing blend of adventure and culture, offering something for every traveler. From Kampala to Murchison Falls, from Queen Elizabeth to Bwindi, from Lake Bunyonyi to Jinja, Uganda offers a tapestry of experiences that will stay with you long after you leave. Whether you're seeking wildlife, adventure, or cultural immersion, Uganda has it all. So, what are you waiting for? The adventure of a lifetime is calling. Uganda's hidden gems are waiting for you to discover them. If you enjoyed this journey, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your fellow explorers. We'll keep bringing you exciting new destinations to explore. Uganda is waiting. Will you answer?
Do you want to save big on your next adventure? Watch this video right here. It's basically a free training. See you there.